Hello and good day. I'm Oluwaseun Ali, a student of Guidance School, batch 2017-06-09, group 4. And my mentor name is Mentor R. Chalo Muloy. I'm here to talk to you about MMM. What is MMM all about? MMM Nigeria, they have some rules that guide every participant. For you to be a participant of MMM, what are the necessary things you have to consider? So all this I'm going to explain the meaning of MMM itself, how you can participate, and so on and so forth. That is, I will be telling you the details about MMM Nigeria, the ideology, how MMM works, the rules of MMM, and benefits of MMM. Here we go. What is MMM? MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical platform which helps millions of participants worldwide to connect to those who need help, to those who are ready to provide help for free. Everything is free. All transfer funds to another participant. That is, you need the help, you requested for it, I willingly provide the help. I transfer the money from my own account to your own account, and that is just it, in a good will. When we talk about MMM, we have two things to do. You provide the help and you get the help. Providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness. That is, MMM does not have any contractors. You don't need to pledge with your property. No. There's no lenders, there's no debtors. Everything is very, very simple. One participant asks for help, another keep the help. That is just it. That is what all MMM is all about. Somebody need the help and somebody provide the help. That is all MMM is all about. Now, what are these things you need to consider most as a participant of MMM? Now, the only thing that MMM defines from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. That is, when you ask for help, when you need it, the financial help is given by another person. That is, MMM does not have any central account in which the money flows. No. All the money is only on the bank account of the participants themselves. A lot of thousands of million private accounts owned by the participant. I mean, every participant on MMM, they have their money in their bank accounts. And when there is need for them, the transfer is done without MMM being involved. That is, what happens is the MMM regulates the transactions for all its participants. This is how it works. You declare willingness to give help, then you click on your personal office that you are ready to provide help, after which your account will be rewarded with Mafu. That is, you need a help, you click Get Help button. Once you click the Get Help button, the help will be given. You'll be matched with another participant who is willing to provide the help, and the money will be paid into your account. And when you plan to provide the help in MMM, it is called Mafu. And this your money grows from moment of offering the contribution. That is, if you plan to provide the help today, your money begins to grow as from today. And at the moment of pledging, your contribution begins to grow at the rate of 30% per month. Calculations of rewards will occur twice a week. That is, every Tuesday and Thursday by 00 GMT. That is 1 AM Nigerian time. And this sum in Mafu shows how much you can request for yourself. For instance, you announce that you are willingly and you are ready to provide the help of 100 Mafus, either in Naira or in dollar. And immediately, the money begins to grow. A month later, this 100 Mafu will grow and becomes 130 Mafu. Accordingly, you'll be able to request assistance for 130 Mafu, either dollar or in Naira. However, it is not necessary at all to wait for a month. Help can be requested at any time, but only after the confirmation of your MAFRO, that is, when you provided the help, the recipient have received the money and the receipt have confirmed the payment that truly the money has been transferred to him or her. Then you have to wait, because even if the receipt have already received the payment, you have to wait for like 15 days for your money to be unfreezed. That is just it. What are the rules that is to be considered by every participant of MMM? Yes, the amount of assistance you provided turned into MAFRO, like I've said earlier. That is conventional unit in MMM system. For example, if the participants have provided assistance of 10,000 naira, you will be awarded with 10,000 MAFRO Nigerian naira, and your MAFRO grows 30% per month. And this MAFRO is frozen for 2 weeks. You can request get help 2 weeks after the date of the contribution has been made. That is when you have paid and the receipt have confirmed the payment. Your MAFRO grows every Tuesdays and Thursday at 1 AM Nigerian time zone, like I've said. What are the bonuses that every MMM participants are entitled to? The first one is registration bonus. When you register in the system, you get from $20 to $100 as a percent, but not everyone, only those who have contributed their own money as well. Otherwise, the system will be pulled apart. For bonuses, they will keep registering endlessly. $20, that is, if you have contributed from $50 to $499, that is, when you provide a help of 17,000 naira to 161 naira. And this registration bonus is frozen for 2 weeks. If you take it out earlier, you will lose the $20. That is, if you take out your money, maybe you cancel the PH, the $20 will be removed. You get $50 if you have contributed from 162,000 naira till 960,000 naira. That is also frozen for 1 month. Then when you provide the help of $100 to $3,000, you get, when you provide the help of $500 and $3,000 and above, you get a registration bonus of $100. That is 32 naira. Now, referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits or contributions of the new participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to development, but nobody forces the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that the MMM can't exist without developing and participants. Without development and participants must be encouraged in the form of referral bonus to motivate many people to take an active position. The third one is guider bonus. Guider bonus are trained participants in MMM community, and they can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a guider can have his own leader who rank is higher. Guider's bonus depends on his level in the community. For example, if you are Rona's guider, Rona is Marcel guider and Marcel is Joseph guider, you get 5% from Rona donation, 3% from Marcel donation, and 1% from Joseph donation. If someone will be under Joseph, you get 0.5% and so on. Guider bonuses are credited in the same way as referral, but only from new money deposited and will be available to withdraw after confirmation of your help provided. Testimonial video bonus. Bonus for the video in a letter of happiness is 10%, 5%, or 1% of the amount received. After receiving the help, you have to send a letter of happiness. If you attach a video to it, you will get a bonus. This bonus is credited for each letter of happiness. 10% of the amount of help received you will get for super quality video. It should be professional looking, quality recording and editing. Record an interesting story in which you are the main character. Tell us how you spend your MMM money. What impact MMM ideology had on your life, how the community changes your life, and invite other people to participate in MMM. The plot must be interesting and creative. The minimum resolution should be 640 by 480. The minimum video duration is 1 minute 30 seconds. Then 5% of received help for the video where you show your face and your voice is heard clearly. Tell about your emotions from the participation in MMM and invite other people to join the community. 1% of received help for the video where you don't show your face. You need to demonstrate your personal office and a photo of your bank account statement or an electronic statement from internet banking as a proof of receiving help. The bonus is credited in Maflow 30% and force him for 1 month. If during this month you will delete the video, you will lose this bonus. Bonus for a video story of providing help is 1 plus 1% or 0.5% of the amount of the help provided. In addition, you can record a video about providing help and get help. 1% or 0.5% of the amount of provided help. The size of the bonus depends on the fact if you show your face in the video or not. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.